keeper. You're my promise keeper. Yeah, I'll be chasing after you. So that is tutorial, guys. That's popular tutorial by, it's not Salem, Prophet Joel, Salem. It's training, guys. And I love the song. I love the song a lot. I think I'll drop the title here for you to see the title of this tutorial. Now, in case you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below, like this video and share it to your friends. Once and that's promise keeper. Keepers go keeper. I love that part of the song. Now, the first step in this channel is you have promised me. Oh. Listen, you're shaking your hand like this. While you are moving your body to the side, guys. So it's, you have promised me. Oh. So you will never fail. Are you seeing, guys? The first step is you have promised me. So you will never fail. Listen, guys. So let's go from starting. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. You have promised me. This promise you are raising your one hand upwards and going sideways. So you have promised me. Say you will never fail. Say you will never fail. You have faith. Listen, guys. Please, right leg to the side with your right hand above you. So it's 1, 2. That's it. 1, 2. So that is from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have promised me. You say you will never fail. You are faithful too. Listen, guys. You say you will never fail. You are faithful. Let's dance, guys. From the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have promised me. I say you will never fail. You are faithful till the end. So this tutorial is just like the ones we have been doing so far, guys. You are dancing with the song, but it's not doesn't mean you're dancing with the song actually, sure. But I don't have to sing the song, it's interesting. So let's go on and start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sing, guys. Say you have promised me, yeah. Say you will never fail. You are faithful till the end. So the third step is you are faithful till the end. You drop it down. You drop it down, guys. You drop it down. You have promised me. You say you will never say. You are faithful till the end. You're my promise keeper. Listen. So once you reach, you're my promise keeper. You like this. Salute Jesus. Salute God. You're my promise keeper. You are healing. Right. 8 times is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do it from the start up to this level. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. You are promised me. You say you will never fail. You are promised to the end. You my promise keeper. You my promise keeper. You my promise keeper. You are promised. So that's just to that point, guys. Remember, please watch the video up to this extent and you're enjoying the video, please subscribe down below, like this video and share to your friends. Click on the notification bell for you to notify whenever I post a video. So let's dive right into the video. So after that gyration, the next thing to do is to, let's say you start again from the beginning again. You keep on raising your hand up like this again. So let's go and start. 5, 6, 7, 8. He has promised me, you say you will never change. You are faithful till the end. You are my promise keeper. You are my promise keeper. You are my promise keeper. You are promise keeper. I'll be chasing after you. So guys, after you wave your hand like this again, you wave your hand, wave your hand, wave your hand. So I can start looking at that side. So don't mind me, guys. So after you wave your hand, you promise me, I'll be chasing after you. Chase a part in, and it's 3 movements forward. So it's 1, 2, 3. Like I'll be chasing after you. Now do this step twice. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 3 times. I'll be chasing after you. 1, 2, 3. Then you pen down. Pen down again. That's it, guys. Let's just start off with this point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, promise me, yeah, you will never fail. You are faithful till the end. You my promise keeper. You my promise keeper. You my promise keeper. I'll be chasing after you. I think, guys, remember, once I run to the front and do this step, guys, I immediately pam it down. Pam it down. Permeability. Pam it down. So 5, 6, 7 from the beginning. You are promising, tell you we never think. You are faithful till the end. You are promise keeper. You are promise keeper. I'll be chasing after you. Merry Christmas. So I'll finish that to you. The point we hear. Promise keeper, we pass goalkeeper. So let's go. Promise keeper, we pass goal. So you're mashing down like this, guys. Like this is it's able good. 2 step. Mashing like this. Like this. 2 step, guys. I'm mashing with 1 leg or pin 1 leg like this. Promise keeper. Then I'll be let's go keeper. Let's go. So that's it, guys. That's the final step. The last 2 steps is hopping, 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 hopping. The leg work. Leg work. So let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, I don't want to catch my breath catching. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. He has promised me, yeah. He said you will never shed. You are faithful till the end. You are promise keeper. He has promised me, yeah. I'll be chasing after you. I'm a keeper, let's go keeper. I'm a keeper, keeper. You see the energy at the other side, guys. At the energy I'm talking about. That vibe. Energy vibe, guys. I love that energy. So if we are doing it in a slow-mo, let's imagine we are doing this in a slow-mo. Let's try it. Let's try slow-mo version, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. He has promised me, yeah. He said you will never fail. You are faithful till the end. You are promise keeper. You are promise keeper. You are promise keeper. He has promised me, yeah. I'll be chasing after you. You're my request lover. You're my request lover. Promise keeper. Let's go keeper. Promise keeper. Let's go keeper. So guys, that is the slow version of this dance. And this version, let's do it one more time. That's actually before I call it a day for this video. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. He has promised me you. He said he will come to you. I'll be chasing after you. Promise keeper, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to your friends, guys. This dance is so sweet, guys. I hope you guys endeavor on this challenge. Play on this dance is awesome one. And click the notification bell when I post a video. Please, guys, watch this 2 videos over here, over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.